We're here at the start of the Lost Coast Trail, getting a little bit of a late start because we had to drive 10 hours up here, including picking up a rental car, leaving a car at the ending location, which is 23.4 miles away. You can see this is where we are, and we got to go all the way down here to Blacksands Beach. And like I said, we're getting a late start. It's already 5:30, so we got to hit the trail. We got a long adventure ahead of us, so let's go. Hold on. Well, we're stranded out here waiting for the tide to get lower. Stuck here at high tide. Dad's sleeping. And I'm just over here filtering water. Gonna be here a while, but so grateful for this water source. We'll be stuck here for a few hours. Yesterday was brutal. We got trapped because of high tide for like 4 hours. We ended up camping only a few hundred feet further than where we were trapped. But just because of how the tide was, we had to just wait it out. We were hoping to go like 4 miles further, but weren't able to because we just had to kill so much time sitting there. So that means more hiking today. But so far we're killing it. We've already done over 5 miles. We have about 3 more to go. So we're doing really well. But of course, you know my dad, he's got a nap first. Well, yesterday was a much better day. Just leaving our campsite right here. It's a beautiful campsite. Right off the beach, we could see the ocean from our spot. There was virtually no wind, which was a nice change. It made setting up our tents a lot easier, sleeping a lot easier, and we really deserved it because we went almost 10 miles yesterday. Really kicked my dad's butt, but he had no quit in him, even though he wanted to quit, and he was pretty upset at me about it. But yeah, we had to put in some extra miles because of that delay with the tide before. Anyway, at our campsite we could see these surfers. It was beautiful. And today we are going to be hitting a tide zone right at the beginning, so I let my dad get a little bit of a head start. And right before we go, just wanted to show you this other campsite that we found. It's called Burrito Peak Resort. And if you check this out, they have the whole setup with a swing. We made it past the zone that's impassable at high tide. We timed it perfectly and got out of there with nothing more than some wet socks and boots, and even just slightly wet. Now it's time for a break. How you feeling? He said he's still going. made it. We just gotta walk right up on that ridge where our car's parked. We went 23.4 miles in 3 nights. We had a great adventure.